Well, hey everybody, well looky there. I'm telling you, we are no trees down. Yeah, we did okay. We did okay, pups. Few little limbs. Yeah, I see a big one down there, but still, yeah, we did okay. Yay! Pup. Well, looked like we lost a fresh one there. Poop. Come on, dogs. On me, stoutly. And we picked up quite a lot of drinking water for the animals. For those of you who might have been concerned, you know, I'm pretty confident we would. Yeah, I didn't put aside no drinking water for you, Statly. I figured you would find some water out here. Well. Oh wow, what is that? That looks like a bee's nest on that tree that fell over. We didn't get too much damage. So anyhow, not too much. I haven't been around the backside yet. Probably shouldn't be going down this lane right now, but I got my hard hat on. So, watch out, pine trees. Don't drop nothing on me. All right, folks, I'll let you go.